Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will place some trade in OTC market. This is OTC market today. OTC have no volume, that's why I will place all my trade based on price action only. So let's start. So market was previously downtrend market, and market created a strong bearish candlestick here. Okay, so I will place my trade after closing of this candle. Okay, I place my trade here 1 minute trade to the upper direction. So I think market must create here a bullish candle and I must win this trade. So let's see what will happen here. Okay, this is my winning trade, and now I again place my trade to the same pair, same direction for 1 minute. So I think market again goes up, next candle again goes up. Definitely I will win this trade also. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this is also my winning trade. So now I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade. So previously it was downtrend market here, and from this area market started to going up. So now after this part, this is a candlestick pattern. After this candlestick pattern, market create a momentum. It's a momentum because market created here more than 3 candlesticks. So after this momentum, market created a strong bearish candle. After this bearish candle, market create another bullish candle. It's also a candlestick pattern. So when I see here this candlestick pattern, so after this pattern I immediately placed my trade here to the upper direction. So we know that after any momentum, if we see after pullback any candlestick pattern, we can easily place our trade to the same direction. So I placed my trade, first trade here to the upper direction, market goes up and was my winning trade. So now after this winning trade, I again place my trade to the same direction, because previously we see this is the very strong movement by the buyer side. So after this one candlestick, it's a pullback. After pullback, market again started to going up. So I think market will goes more up, at least to next strong seller's entry point level. That's why I immediately placed my trade, again another trade to the same direction, and it was also my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, so market is falling down now. So I will place my trade after closing of this candle. Okay, I placed my trade here, 1 minute trade to the downward direction. I think market must create here a bearish candle and I must win this trade. So let's see what will happen here. Okay, this is also my winning trade. So now I'm explaining the reason of my placing the trade. So when I see from this area market started to falling down, so it was previously a strong sellers entry point area. After breakout of this area, sellers entered in the market here slowly. Buyers again tried to goes up, but it's a very weak buyers. After these buyers again sellers enter in the market and it's a momentum, and it's a very strong momentum. After this momentum, market create here a only one bullish candle. So same logic, previous logic and this logic, same logic. So after this momentum, I see only one bullish candle. It's a pullback. After pullback, sellers again enter in the market, and although it's a weak sellers, but the previous sellers movement was very strong. That's why after these sellers, after this bearish candle, I again place my trade to the same direction for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, market closed below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. This is all about today's trading. So if anybody want to learn price action, volume analysis, volume signal, CWRV, and strong money management system, contact me by telegram at @TRUSTEDBNRY. Thanks for watching my videos.